Ancestors Association akwaba sonko cafe bar noir Jolo police station in Chanhonoma Tuesday at an abedium into Mobadem Biano favorite personality no so wahade now zoting there man in time na meet me actually come na who favorite personality send them in it na hade no zoting there MTN hit maker in a no order after that no we show no by a big sensation Ghana had no voice here extraordinary or to nyuma or do ye papa jam after jam or the man it will chrome had now so no personally mutton catch also no or chembe juma no jina pinti ma or ye juma ye papa so no pay me you know had for me or a catch up how far or look then what's up with him me sure that was no e bepe de hu na menye nyinare and pay me guest Kurl Songx.
Hi, good morning Fanti Do.
Bibi aboko
ya Adom TV nyina.
Okay, echiafo nyina so me nchia wo. What's a hint he fa na echi?
Me she ho adwuma na ye gina me ye adwuma na ba.
Me hu.
Won say I mean season bia na de eba.
Okay. So, season no in shadow favor of the man. Oh,
they be me nkasa but won't say sometimes na artists there you need to go and say o koshe we kakra na ultimate to ni o ma bi ye kakra mean that's the reason why. Okay. Now but now you drop it but now it wasn't really na intense so but now still na ye juma ebo shows one or two yeah.
Okay, no one's marrying. I am a parado, so I know voice no
from Momo Fanchen.
Mama's in a boom,
Mama high energy, is it? I think so. We okay.
High energy. Yeah. And I'm on my new about my voice near quick.
Hey, an upper voice. All right, yeah, let's try.
Okay, my favorite your feelings.
Okay, so all right, so my girl, you love you too much, baby. Yeah. Brahmin doll, I will love you, I no go retire, baby. Yeah. When you be with me, I'm a media, so I saw. Wakumani, a body, cry me, matter. Oh, nana, oh, back and give me that. Mami Sanka, dear, give me that, she dey kill me slowly. She blessed with an African feeling. Give me that, Mami Sanka.
Kurl Songx, oh yeah, you pay your chichun come, I'm sure that by now.
Yes, I.
Oh, you pay and you know chichun come. No, on his hako de kakado ko go need papa bia you go this is up to date. You go da ya kawasa ba yen carry. It's no Kurl Songx. My show journey he fan wo he fan.
Oh, me ankasa de me fi kwawu me kwawu ni 100%.
I see.
E biti fi me fi kwawu e biti fi ne obomen ba ye wo me wo Accra hasi ya Adabraka. Nti e wona metina ya me ko school so wa Adabraka Presby. From Hona me be ko secondary school Kumasi. And then I think say me born it offer and then me be call Vodafone Icons. Me be try the so kakra.
Okay.
From Hona.
I call Icons.
Yeah, me call Vodafone Icons. I think say 2013. Oh. Me call the second. So and I me call back into teaching into 2016 na. Nyankopon ya adoma me ba hit maker and big first.
Okay, you not teaching at Chabazi?
Yeah, me chair ICT, maths and science. Yeah.
Only as you university na.
Oh, David, me Manko University.
From secondary school.
Yeah, from secondary school.
And a teacher.
Yes.
Okay, but this is actually na.
Oh, David, mentor. Oh, definitely.
Sure. But you know so no jumani.
Yes.
Papa, my from MTN Hitmaker.
Yes.
How are you going? How a Kura MTN Hitmaker?
I think say me child di ni muna no me dey imagine say one day be me copy juma until you know I wrote applications letters plenty me imagine say okay you know my system kakra cause me you be like me pay say I am too kwine
okay
enti me kota krade I went to me called deliver na me wo friend bi wo ho enti me ko choke won ho na me ko submit me applications into on my way back to Accra no and in the car then I mean giving up on like reality show for a while because you know me ko first one when we need I mean now say you know as a young guy there wabembe buka crab, and then in the car and me banner there was one guy who watched me, I think 3 years ago. He was like, "Oh Charlie, are you not Kelvin from
Sorry,
Vodafone Icons?" And I'm saying, "Yeah." I say, "Oh Charlie, I loved you and all that." The guy was like, "Yeah, now." Like, oh, me dream say, "Oh, yeah, one." So he was the one who said that Charlie, hitmaker for you can't say auditions were crowd. Then Meshia Magnum, I think say maybe anamite or Adabrakano. In front of my house, there was a musical shop there. So he came there to no be bibi or ho. And then I saw him microphone catch him said that's Magnum. So I played my songs to him. And then he told me about Hitmaker. And me bet na car ni ma guy in the car and na kushia but now ma you know me share that name or because Charlie first one you know go well. So he was like it's na car ni ma no see Charlie na bisa said that be no see enne.
Hey
kai my traffic it is so you okay no problem. And then you bit my chair me or not chair me. So then I picked the car until obi who me water crowd could attest to the fact that me buy now me maybe audition I was having some sweet luggage be woman same and all that you understand because then ejuma na de me ba ho enti me my audition wa cry audition in Takra and so from there no and I'm be back crying
some unexpected things be
oh yes of course
very productive
of course
after Hitmaker joining Highly Spiritual
of course
how did that one also go
it was great by the grace of God.
Okay now my share into after Ifree Highly Spiritual
yes
Jenny and then what are you okay?
Oh, after me free, if you say I'm okay, as in how?
Maybe said like, are you okay with the Jumari and as a?
Oh, a Jumani, the say young couple and me, crack. But I mean, highly spiritual, the say why wouldn't say highly spiritual, yeah, label like them, a bar, and as a noun, mean to me, say, maybe I mean highly spiritual, and I say because Papa, yeah, me Papa.
Yeah.
KY is my father and forever will be my father. And there hasn't been any issue where, you know, I said, we're free, highly spiritual, and I said, but just what I must say. He's my father. And the father and son relationship can never be broken. It's a forever thing.
Okay.
That's just what I must say.
Okay.
Yeah,
but the reason why I kind of maybe said that question is because it's an American, highly spiritual knows who pay out.
Yeah.
One Chabia, I think it's a minimum size. You're back now the first to leave. I will say, okay. The man, you would Mr. Drew also. Okay. See, would the boys know what you want them now? How you feel it then?
For me, I can't speak for anyone.
Okay.
To be very honest, me, there will be a feeling, and I don't know what's going on between Obi and me Papa and I. But for me, I feel say. Like for me, dear, I'll always be grateful to where I am coming from.
But I will, very can ask.
Yes.
I'm was a missing problem. But me pede me who there. Say CCR be a highly spiritual. Was that decision a good one? They be free if you honor and then if you honor also know
from that time there I wouldn't say me to me but I wasn't man to me
because I didn't have to cry
okay what they mean they come okay what say me I mean let's be honest because then I was a very young artist me back then so too fast and you know I mean me independent now by me say where and you know, it's not what we thought. You understand?
But then paying,
yes.
You saw
you feel like you
understand. But after I
Charlie, the thing this is really how it is.
Okay.
So it made me really appreciate Papa the more. You understand? It really made me appreciate him. I got to know that hey, Charlie, you see, it's not it's not easy for somebody to pick you up from nowhere and then you know bring you up like that. Charlie ain't easy. So the least we could do, he's not expecting anything from us. The least we could do is to be grateful.
met Yalbeck in Car.
Oh yes.
No, yeah. Although personally,
Yalbeck there, he's my
several
guy.
times,
and
minim them more code I regret is.
Yalbeck is very remorseful, and I mean, I'll take this opportunity. I mean, Yao, Charlie, you be my brother. So I mean, even with or without your permission, I take this opportunity to tell my father that I mean, Yalbeck is very remorseful, and I mean,
when you now walk back to highly spiritual.
Me and
yes.
Me. Oh, maybe I've thought of it so many times.
Oh, I reach out because Papa say.
Oh, I mean, I make her say, me Papa dear Charlie, it can never be broken.
Okay, so reach out to him.
Oh, Charlie, even the truth of the matter is that you see, even a few days ago I was with him.
Nice.
But
why could they we want to see something like that.
No, I am name Papa and myself. I didn't know person.
And I be Papa just to the but information now, mom.
And only asem.
Master say.
But what Master
say. Is it a new project and you
yeah, new stuff I hear.
Okay.
And I have a new song out. It's called Saniko. Yes, so
yes,
Saniko Asembi. So they should watch out.
Okay.
It's out.
Saniko, what is it?
Asembi. You understand? So there's a love song. It's a beautiful song. The video is out.
Mama toka kwa.
Mami mbo in kakra.
Okay, into no don't want some in cafe banoa. Mama da wana see. Abena bibia obe wana abo to home and me to me about na see. You train unkomo o hade when is the ban na most mo organization won nyama kra ho hade no or special papa penta abena bibia me kanfo zama obiara ope very nice place won kra hade no wabetina na wetum na wagine nwana wagine nyi weye papa za na we cafe banoa jolu police station in chen ho no my butum na abacha na I about to send it first and equally to me and
smoking off a sickly yeah. In chaos and Kamoko Bay. Missing what they did there. Oh, no, no, Tomashi, Tisha, Ofite Mami, I'm a hinch. It's not easy.
How run on the second which your sponsor one area?
I mean, I have a team, I have like a management, like Omobuame. Big ups to Eve Digital.
Eve Digital.
Eve Digital. Big ups to Eve Digital. Big ups to Kwame Ba. And big ups to we are like a dom. We have like a video guy, Joe Agri. Kwame Ba as the distributor and all that, making sure we come together and make sure that Bibia is sorted. But also what I say,
okay.
But also what I say. So that is what I can say.
And most of you have one man kasa for what style of me because what style is very unique.
That's it.
The way I told you, funny how is it in your style?
I think I mean grooming. One first thanks to God. Because Nyamina di ache di ene che.
Na to you watch up ma.
Yeah. Oh, me. I've always Grace Aflame Chapel.
As young as
I started as young as 17.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Matonyum wa chapel kakra, and all thanks to Obi to say highly spiritual Kewa for shaping my talent, and all thanks to another person. I mean, I think I need to highlight a little bit more is Akwabwa. Because he was or you'll be an timer. All my competitions are funny enough, Tina because there are some maybe a CC my brother like I don't understand. Well, me call Vodafone Icons, no, he was the vocal coach. In that year, me called second maybe Shiano hits me castle.
Oh, okay.
In 2016.
No, your vocal coach also.
So he was my vocal coach. He was even the music director for the show. And he helped to shape my talent a lot. And you know say you can't I mean, Obi to say Akwabwa has also been very instrumental in my life. Kwabna has been very instrumental in my life. I mean, Kwabna Kraba Boami Atronyum. Yes, and Uforian Ponsa.
Wow.
These people have been very.
No, I because one map wasn't in our top guys.
They are great people. and I've had the opportunity to also tour the world, America with Amachi Didi. So you see, I've had like Nyankopon Adomaf, Nyankopon Amameshiankophobia, they've, impacted a lot into what I'm doing.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. Yes. If there's, I'm sure you are grateful for a lot of things.
A lot of things.
But one particular thing, yeah, and shada, in kind out loud, but you are very grateful for, yeah, Bazi.
Charlie, for life. Cause Charlie, the things. Sometimes I even we are grateful for life because the things we've seen, but God holds us and still keeps us. I mean, we are grateful for life, and I feel it's not enough to say, but yeah, that's it.
Okay. Sure though. But experiences in your baby.
A lot.
Upcoming Biribado. All shame. What's not?
Charlie, believe in yourself. That's the most important thing. Have God in everything you do. Make sure you don't leave God. That's when you have God, Charlie, everything will be in place. That's all.
No, as a Mara. Kurl Songx say, "Me that's Papa de tumna inyambre na ime yetna se. E ma yetwetwe nkomo Sunday ko assembly. Ne mesu yankra no kware." Yes. Masa, obata manka office one day. Sunday ko Sunday office ho. Assembly. Na peneke bibi ho.
Yes. Nti omo ntie nyum no.
Very necessary power one stream Mosaniko no na Morosord no man count for Franco Trading Enterprise and farm one or two so massive to Mazabro Franco Trading Enterprise the phones papa and electronic device papa ze ajida ho ni binyantisa and pay sorry who phone no more yeah no hono my phone repatch but nimde o business be bre hono man de pedezi phone is Bebma Eboko e Franco Trading Enterprise call na kekeji wo phone papa CCTV no nye electronic device papa piaze or call na be call from 0246 422438 masana be si number no dubio ma or 0246 422338 but masana for Franco Trading Enterprise na call keji wo phone papa na the electronic device papa piaze Robert Kofian your head of productions, I mean, sure, and Papa, make sure the Marana Mini Kings and a Kelvin, production assistant Papa, Yamisha Nasu, ye Papa, Sheriff, and our director more Temu or control room home, Yamisha one. Coming from home, Yamisha be breeders in a bay. Our agent bring me, so Yamisha, that been a BBI agent, na in Yana Ahosepe. Mrs. Bessie ha. Ezino A the founded or president for the Brothers and Sisters Association. Cafe Bano, special thanks, Sadiq. No one some the Rihanna Maka. Be the best here, Yamia do my best. Bye bye.